We had a student write the answer up. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the back side. Now we're going to put everything together. We're going to think about sine, cosine, tangent. We're going to label our triangle. We're going to come out with which one, sine, cosine, or tangent, that we're given. We're going to set it up just like we did. And we're going to cross multiply and figure out the answer. So these ones are going to take a few steps. So as we look at our reference angle, it's 48 right here. It's B. So the first thing we do is we always label our hypotenuse with HYP. Which one's our opposite? Oh, yep, down here. That's absolutely our opposite. And then our X is actually our adjacent. So let's circle the two side lengths that we're working with. We're working with adjacent and hypotenuse. Let's flip back over to the front side. Which one's adjacent and hypotenuse? Cosine, perfect. Remember, we abbreviate cosine with cos. It's 48 degrees. And then we set up our ratio just like we did on the front side. Now it says X over 38. Hey, that looks just like the ones we just solved by cross multiplying. We put it over 1. We go ahead and cross multiply in our calculators. Someone type in 38 times cosine 48. Whatever you get, they'll tell you. Questions on that one? They're pretty simple. We just got to label our triangle according to the reference angle, circle the two pieces that are given, flip our paper back over, decide which one of the three we need to use, and use it. So let's take a look at this one. Everybody look. Oh, it's angle L right here. It's 20 degrees. Which one's our hypotenuse? Down here. Which one's our opposite? W. And which one's our adjacent? 83. So which two should we be circling? Opposite and adjacent. Flip your paper back over. Which one has opposite and adjacent? Tan. Perfect. We always go tan or cosine or tangent and then the degree measure. And then we go ahead and we set it up. Opposite over adjacent. We're going to put it over 1 again. We're going to cross multiply. Sorry, that's W, guys. Sorry about that. Somebody type in 83 times tan 20. Enter. What do we get? Awesome. Let's do one more together before I have you do the last 3 on your own. All right, let's get really good at labeling our triangles. What is our reference angle? G. Good. It's 51 degrees. Where is our hypotenuse? Longest side over here. Good. What is our opposite side? Z. Excellent. Thank you. And what is our adjacent side? Which one's right next to 51? What number is directly next to? Going in the same direction. Absolutely. 57. That's adjacent. Which two should we be circling? Adjacent and opposite. Hey, that one looks just like this one. I circled the same exact thing, so I should be using the same exact one. So it's going to be tangent 51 equals Z over 57. I'm going to go ahead and cross multiply again. I get Z equals on one side. And everyone, please type in 57 times tan 51. What do we get? Perfect. Good job, guys. Now, let's go ahead and let's set up the next two together, and then I'm going to let you guys go ahead and solve them on your own, and then you're going to do the last one completely by yourself, choosing whether or not you like 52 degrees better or 38 degrees better. So let's take a look at this first one. Here's our reference angle, 55. Which one's our hypotenuse? 172. Which one's our opposite? X. Which one's our adjacent? Over here on the side. Which two should I circle? X and 172. Let's flip our paper back over.